Hey, what's up? This is Ron Palmer. Welcome to my CourseMate AI 2.0 review. This is a new software that allows you to create anything related to creating products. So it's a platform to host your courses. And here on the left side, you're going to be able to see that there's tons of different features, which I'm going to be covering in just a moment. But this is an alternative to other platforms if you want to host your courses. And essentially, they have tons of features and flexibility. Now, let me show you something here. You want to grab this before my timer hits 0 because when that happens, my bonuses are going to expire. But essentially, CourseMate AI 2.0 is the upgraded version of one of the best-selling AI-powered course creation platforms designed to create, publish, and sell high-quality video. And basically, it's going to be eliminating the traditional hassle of content creation by leveraging cutting-edge artificial intelligence to produce engaging educational material across various niches. So if you want to sell your course, let's say on Warrior Plus, on a cloud-based, 100% cloud-based platform, beginner-friendly, then this might be for you. And you'll have to decide if this is for you or not. I'm going to be covering a lot more in this video. But first of all, before we dive into the actual bonuses or actual product, let me talk about the bonuses. So the first bonus here is you're going to be getting access to my private apps that you can give away or sell using this CourseMate AI 2.0. And I've create several of these apps to my business, but you can access them and you can give them away or you can sell them. You can do whatever you want, but you can add those to this course or to this platform. Now, the second bonus is you're going to get my easy membership course builder, which is another app as well. I'm going to be giving away to you that you can use if you want something additional or flexibility when creating your own courses. If you want to sell on Warrior Plus or Yavisu or any other platform. Then I'm going to be showing you something that they're not covering entirely in this course or this product or platform or software, which is how to drive actual buyers to your products. Because once you have a product, you want to get traffic. And I've created this for you so you can get even better results. And this is how I drive thousands of buyer leads to any of my offers. Gonna get that as well here. Then how to rank at the top of YouTube every time. So if you go to my YouTube channel, basically every time I launch a video, I rank at the top. And I'm gonna be showing you in this course how I do that, and you're gonna get access to that within this bonus number 4. And of course, all the bonuses from the vendor are gonna be included inside as well. So if you click on any of these buttons here, you're going to get access to this product here or to the sales page. And the sales page says CourseMate AI. Well, 1.0 was the first version. This is going to be 2.0. But the previous version was a hit. Now it's even better, 10 times better. So instantly create and launch your own profit-making e-learning websites and academies faster and better than Udemy, Teachable, and Kajabi, all with AI in minutes. So you don't have to hire course creators, no tedious content creation, no research, no marketing needed. Well, some of these things you might need, but it's definitely an alternative and probably cheaper than these platforms. And you can see all the details here below in the description. You click on these buttons as I mentioned, and you're going to be able to see the sales page and all the details. I'm recording this one day before it actually goes live, so there's going to be a demo video probably on this sales page. So that being said, if we head over to the actual product, as I mentioned here on the left, there's going to be several features. Here, basically, what you're seeing here on the screen is the performance summary. They have the total courses, total ebooks, total children books, total flip books. And here to the left, you'll have to add your domain. You want to manage that here. Then here on the courses, you can basically manage your courses, and then you can add new courses as well. You can see the category, status, and the price. And if you want to add a new course, you can click here, or you can click here on the left, and basically you'll have to select a domain. I haven't done that, so you'll have to do that, but I want to show you a little bit about how it works. So you add a domain here first, but you'll have to select that from this first section where you're going to be adding your domain. So it's going to be here. Once you've done that, you go back to course, and then you go to add new course, and then you enter the title. Super, yes, typing in something random, but basically you want to add a course title, a short description, and here this is going to be more of a what you see is what you get kind of description. You can see you can customize that here, and then basically you add a description. Then we have the category, which is also something you'll have to add here, or I think it's here, and then a subcategory, and then the level of this course, the English or the language, can be English or any other language, and then if you want to keep it private, featured, or as a top course. So then you click on the next one. Then if you have specific questions that you don't want to answer or that you want to answer, you should be adding that here and here, and then probably requirements, outcomes, and then you go to the next section, and then you can add the price here, and if there's a discounted price, you add that here. Warrior Plus button should go here. JVCU, ClickBank, so you can customize this. That's completely optional, or if you want to give this away as a free course, you check this box. If you go to the next one, then you can pick a video here. Let's say I go to YouTube, and I'm going to be selecting just a random video here, right? Like this one. And I go back here and I paste that here. And then here on the course thumbnail, you're going to be adding anything here like this, right? This is just an example. You're probably going to do it much better. And then the keyword's going to be adding that here, meta description. And then you basically just click on submit. So that's about the course. Then we have the graphic creator. You can create a logo and favicon creator. At the top, I don't know if you can see that here, but well, at the top, there's usually a mini icon. That's usually the favicon. It makes your course look a little bit better, so you can play around with what they have here. They have an entire editor for this, right? So you can play around. Pretty cool stuff, actually, very useful. And also it follows, let me see here. Yeah, so basically that's what you want to do. Then we have the ebook e-cover creator. I don't have access to that, but that's what's included. You can create ad banners. I'm going to be talking more about that in just a moment. If you want to create custom PDFs, you can also do that here. So there's 3 sections or options. We have the basic PDF creator, ebook PDF creator, and coloring book creator. So basically you can create a new PDF, enter the title, introduction, content. You can even use ChatGPT in combination with this if you want to, even the free version, or basically you can use what they have here. And then we have the coloring book ebook creator. Also, you can create that by add a new coloring book. So each one of these sections follows a very simple basic formula, or the basic same formula. You add a couple of details to this, and then you get, even if doesn't matter if it's the ebook coloring ebook creator or the graphic creator, it has basically the same setup. And then we have the children book ebook creator. So if you want to do that, so as you can see, there's a lot of customization. We have the flip book creator. You can add a flip book, and I don't know if you haven't seen those, but those look pretty cool. Same principle. And then the training video creator. So if you want to add videos, you can add your videos, which is usually one of the things that I do with my courses. I add a lot of videos. And so you want to have a place to add those, you can do that here. You can even use, AI voices here. Pretty cool stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do. Text to speech, if you want to do that, you can generate that here. And then they have AI speech to text as well. And there's tons of stuff. There are a couple of things that are included in the upgrades, which I'm going to be talking about in just a moment. But as you can see here, banner ads, blogs, you can see the sales reports, payout settings. If you want to select something specific here, you can do that as well. So I'm not going to be able to cover everything here, but there's going to be a demo video on the sales page and more training within this product. But this is a kind of a bird's eye view of what this is about, right? So that being said, let's talk about the prices for this. This is going to cost $17, and let me see if there's a bundle price for this. Okay, so I couldn't find any bundle price for this, but I'm gonna go through the prices and all of that so you can see what or which one of these you might like. So the front end is the CourseMate AI 2.0, which is the new version for $17, and this includes access to the powerful CourseMate AI 2.0 system that allows you to create video courses with built-in voiceovers, lesson plans, and training modules using AI. So this is ideal for beginners and experts alike, and probably cheaper than a lot of these other platforms. Then we have the option number one, which is the Pro version, 4-in-1 Business Beast, $37. This upgrade unlocks 4 premium business tools in one powerful suite. Maximize earning potential with agency license features, more niche options, advanced video editing, and automation tools to scale faster. So if you want that, this is available. Downsell number one is the Pro Lite, $27, a lighter version of the Pro, upgrade for users who want essential enhancements without the full suite. Still provides additional tools for scaling and course customization. So it's going to depend on what you want, right? The downsell number two is the graphics creator. So it seems they have separated each one of these tools that are inside here. So you might want to get the option number one. But the option number two is the graphics creator, $19. So it enables users to create stunning visuals, banners, and thumbnails for courses and promotions. So there's no design skill required thanks to drag and drop functionality. So tons of different software that are going to be useful for you. The downsell number four is the Flipbook Creator, $19. So basically you can convert your course content or PDFs into interactive flipbooks for a more dynamic student experience and better engagement. And then we have option number two, which is the membership, $27 per month or $97, which is a one-time payment. So it's a $97 one time. So this upsell is going to provide continuous access to new templates, AI updates, and bonus tools monthly. 2 payment options, as you can see, $27 or $97 one time. And then they have the reseller license for $97. This is the upsell number 3. So you essentially get full reseller rights to CourseMate AI 2.0. Keep 100% of the profits from every sale, complete with done-for-you marketing materials and JVSU integration. Okay, so that's what I can say. You can find all the details below in the description, and you're gonna get all of these custom-made bonuses that I've created for you. You're not gonna get those anywhere else because I personally have created these. I use these in my own business, so you can check that out. But you probably want to grab those before my timer hits 0, and everything you see here is going to be delivered automatically through JVSU. So you want to check your receipt, and my bonuses are going to be there. If you have any questions, you can let me know. You can send a message to robinpalmer.sweden@gmail.com, and I'm going to be happy to get back to you, or you can drop your questions or comments below. Once again, thank you for watching my CourseMate AI 2.0 review, and I talk to you soon.